Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech products. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The best wireless office headset with a microphone that's making waves in the market. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to productivity with the wireless headset from Soothielec. This fantastic headset is designed to elevate your work from home or office experience. Let's dive right into the features that make it stand out from the rest. First up, let's talk about noise cancellation. The wireless headset uses AI noise cancellation technology, which can effectively eliminate up to 99% of background noise. Whether it's barking dogs, chatty neighbors, or the sounds of a bustling office, this headset has got you covered. Say goodbye to distractions during your calls or meetings. Just activate the mute button during your conversation, and you'll have a private and distraction-free discussion. This feature alone can be a game-changer for those important work calls. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This headset is equipped with the advanced QCC3040 Bluetooth chip, ensuring a stable and low-latency connection. Whether you're enjoying music, participating in video conferences, or taking calls, the Soothielec headset won't let you down. And for those who use computers without built-in Bluetooth, don't worry. It comes with a Bluetooth dongle that ensures compatibility with popular platforms like WebEx, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. Just remember to unplug the dongle during an activity and reinsert it when you're ready to use the headset again. Another impressive feature is the ability to connect two devices simultaneously. Switch seamlessly between computer meetings and incoming phone calls without missing a beat. Plus, with a Bluetooth range of up to 33 feet, you have the flexibility to move around during your calls and video conferences. And a quick tip, it's best to pair two devices solely through Bluetooth to avoid any complexity with mixing USB and Bluetooth connections. Comfort is essential for long work sessions, and the wireless headset has you covered. The soft earpads are designed for extended use, and the adjustable headband ensures a perfect fit. You can wear this headset for hours without discomfort. And don't forget the flexible microphone designed for top-notch voice capture. Oh, and summoning voice assistants like Siri is a breeze with the multifunction button. But please note that it won't handle call answering or rejection on computers. Now, let's talk about battery life. With a robust 600 mAh battery, this wireless headset delivers an astounding 40 hours of operation on a full charge. That means you can enjoy extended usage without frequent recharging. Plus, the charging process is quick, taking only 2 hours to fully rejuvenate the battery. Remember to power off the headset before initiating the charging process for added convenience. So there you have it, folks, the wireless headset from Soothielec. With its incredible noise cancellation, stable connectivity, dual connections, all-day comfort, and long battery life. It's truly the best wireless office headset with a microphone on the market. If you're ready to elevate your work or online meeting experience, don't miss out on this deal. You can find all the details and make your purchase on Amazon. The link is in the video description below. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.